Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. And we define our Microsoft Word as the word processing application developed by Microsoft. It is used for creating, editing, formatting, and printing documents such as letters, reports, resume, and assignments. And we type our document and we edit our text and we change the font size and the font style and we apply bold, italics and underline. We also change text color and we put our text in alignment. So we save and we show how to print our document. So today we are going to try what's it called? We are going to do table. How to insert table in our document. So the first thing to do, you will click on your Word, Microsoft Word or Google Doc. You just click it. Start with blank document. The only thing that I want to teach today is how to create a table and how to format table. The first thing that we are going to do here is to insert our table. How do we insert our table? The first thing, you will go to insert. Can you see my cursor? Go to insert. When you click on insert, you can see drop down as well. We have blank page, cover page, breaks, page number, header and footer, and we have table. So this table, you will click on it, and when you click on it, it will bring a lot of table size and table style. But the first thing to do here is to click on more rows and column. More rows and column, because we want to create our own rows and column. You just click more rows and column. So it will bring the table size, the number of column and the number of row. So we change it to 5. It's okay like this. So when you change it like that, so you click on OK. Click on OK. When you click on OK now, so it will bring the table that we have already created in our insert. The one, the numbers of the columns and the numbers of the row that we have created. This one is 5 rows and 5 columns. So we want to teach us, this is our table now. So we want to teach how to format a table. The first one that we're going to do here is student record. Student record. So number one is for serial number. So you write it there. And we have our name, we have our gender, we have score, and the last but not the least, we have grade. You know, I told you that this one is table, this table is for student record. So the first thing, you know, that in our serial number now, eh, is the table, the space is too much. So we have to adjust it. How do we adjust this table? So you put your cursor on the line in between the serial number and the name. In between. When it's changed to this arrow, is then that you can drag. You drag it to the left. So this space, that is the space of the serial number, will be smaller than the rest. So let's drag now. When you change to this arrow, is then that you will drag. So you will now left click and you drag to this side. Is that okay? So this is how we want it. The first one is the serial number. Do we know how to insert our numbers? So the first thing is go to home. When you go to home, you can see the bullet and you can see the number. But we want to use number. This is our number, number one. And the first name is John. And the second name, what's the gender? We have male. and the score is 85, and the grade is A. And the second name, the second person, we have Mary. Sorry, the serial number, you click here, 2, and we have our name, Mary, female, 78, and we have B. And the third person, you click on our number. The third person is David. Do we understand this now? How to create our student record. So, and the first person here is Grace. As you know that Grace is a female. She is a female. Is that taking the way I did it now? So different type of table style. So let's write here. You want to write student. So that's how to make a record for students. So that's how to insert a table. And the other one now is how to insert table. This one it says record. So you will highlight it, change the font style to Time New Roman and increase the size. So we want to insert table now. How do we insert our table? The first thing is to do is that we will go to insert. We will go to insert and we click by clicking our table. So how many rows and column is not depends on the rows and column that you have. So for this example now, from this practical, I'm using 5. So you click OK. When you click OK, so you just write the item of the record, of your sales record. The first one is the item, the second one is the quantity, unit price, and the total. Unit price and the total. So let's expand this unit price size a little bit. Is highlight all the table. You will do what? You will highlight all the table and you come to table style. So we have different type of styles here. So it has also has a drop down as well. So you can see colors and shading field and more styles. So we have like this. Let me click on this one and it will apply to our table. Are we still getting it? Okay, let me do it again. Like this one now. You go back to your insert again. When you go back to your insert, can you see table? So more rows and column. Choose 5 5. It depends on what you want and what you want to type. So I chose 5 5, 5 rows and 5 column. How do we now match our cells together? Eh? Our cells together. You just come out and highlight the place that you want to match together. You come out and highlight the place that you want to merge together. So, and you come to merge cells here. Do you understand what I'm saying? Can you see now that it's already matched together? Okay, the first rows have already matched together. So what do you want to write there? You write, let me say, contribution. When you write the contribution, so you want to put it in center. So first of all, highlight and take it to center. That is alignment. Take it to center and you bold it. You increase the size as well. You increase the size. So it's okay like that. That's how to merge cells together. So this one will be our serial number. It could be anything. But let me say this one is our serial number. Do you understand what I'm saying now? This one is name. This one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Is that taken now? So that is how to merge cells. That's the first, the third one that I'm teaching you today. So that is how to merge cell, and you want to change the table style. First of all, highlight everything, and you come to table style. You click on the one that you like. Yes, that one is okay for me. It's as if all the cells are not visible. But now, drop your question in comment section and I'm going to attend to it all. Yes, my name is the Greenland and I'm happy to be here again. Can you send this news to your friends and to your friends? Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.